Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer data with Segment, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Segment account on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the Sources tab in your Segment dashboard. Click on the Add Source button to create a new source for your customer data. Choose the specific type of source you want to integrate, such as a website, mobile app, or server. Follow the prompts to configure your source settings according to your needs. After setting up your source, Segment will provide you with a snippet of code or API keys. Integrate this code or API into your application to start collecting customer data. Next, go to the Destinations tab in your dashboard. Click on Add Destination to select the tools where you want to send your customer data. Choose your desired destination from the list provided, such as Google Analytics or Salesforce. Follow the instructions to link your destination to Segment. Configure any additional settings required for your chosen destination. Now, return to your Sources tab to verify the data is flowing correctly. Check the source's activity feed to see real-time data being collected. Adjust any settings if needed to refine the data being captured. Once everything is set up, explore the Analytics tab for insights on customer behavior. Utilize the integration options to connect with other tools your team uses. Regularly review your data and make adjustments to your configurations as your business needs evolve. Leverage Segment's features to segment your audience for targeted marketing efforts. Continue exploring its documentation for advanced features like real-time tracking or event tracking. Stay updated on best practices for managing customer data to ensure compliance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.